Hey guys, in today's video I will be sharing how I have decided to add aloe vera back to my hair regimen by way of a pre-poo. The difference I am doing now is that I am adding a hair strengthening oil to the mix, which not only helps with strengthening my hair and stimulating hair growth, it also helps the aloe vera to better penetrate my hair strands. So here I'm just cutting up the aloe vera plant. I've sliced it in sections, and then I work really diligently to get all of that gel out of the plant. Like you see, I'm scraping here and I'm scraping. So this is the first step in the process, to just cut the aloe vera leaf up. I get it from my local supermarket for I think $1.50. It's very, very cheap. Now, once I'm done cutting up the aloe vera leaf, I put it into this measuring cup. It comes with my Cuisinart hand mixer. I love this mixer. I am going to show you how easily it chops things up. Like, it's so fast. So I've got about roughly a cup of aloe vera plant. Now look at this. I'm not speeding this up. I just want you to see how fast it pulverizes. Literally, look, just a few pumps, and the aloe vera is now aloe vera gel. Once I'm done pulverizing the aloe vera plant, I take my cheesecloth, I put it over this little small mason jar to strain out any solid particles. But for the most part, I was able to get most of this down to a liquefied form. If I were making aloe vera gel just for styling my hair, for my curls, I wouldn't have blended it down as much as I did. So while I'm straining this, let's talk a little bit about the benefits of aloe vera for your hair. For one, we all know it is very, very moisturizing. But did you know that it also helps to provide your hair with some UV protection? Interesting. It also helps to stimulate hair growth. It helps to strengthen hair strands. It has so many good properties. So here I am now transferring my gel, a little bit of it, to this bowl, and then I'm adding a few drops, more than a few drops. I'm trying to get it the actual full dropper full of this fenugreek hair elixir from Curly Proverbs, which I'm mixing in. I have found this to be so nourishing for my hair. It really helps to hydrate my hair before moving on to the wash day process. As you can see, I'm just beating it like an egg because we all know that oil and water do not mix. But once I stir this up, I'm able to then use it and apply it to my hair. This is about how much I'm using, and the rest is going in the refrigerator. So now it's time for the application process. My hair is really pretty tangled. I just kind of laid on it, but it's very moisturized still. And I just proceed to applying the aloe vera and oil mixture to my hair and to my scalp. I really do focus more so on the scalp in the beginning than I do on my hair, because it's the scalp where your hair grows from, obviously. So I'm really focusing this mixture on my scalp to start, and then I'm going to work it down my hair strands. As I work it down, I'm helping to moisturize my hair on the outer surface. It's not deeply penetrating like what you would get when you're doing a deep conditioner, but it is helping to prepare my hair for a much deeper hydration once it's time to wash and deep condition. The aloe vera pre-poo is also helping to protect my hair from hydro fatigue, thanks to the oil that's been added. Once each section is thoroughly coated with the pre-poo mixture, I clip each section up and leave it in my hair for roughly 30 minutes. But I think on this day, I left it in for probably about an hour and a half because I was just busy doing things in the house. Now I'm just going to put on my plastic cap and allow this to marinate in my hair. Here is my hair after the pre-poo has been sitting in it for, like I said, about 90 minutes. Not only is it more moisturized, it's more manageable. May God bless you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video where I will be demonstrating straightening my hair.